Welcome to the Falcon Pure Sine Wave Inverter range. If you are looking to produce your own supply of 240 volts electricity without the need for an electrical hookup to avoid the rising electric rates on campsites, or just want to explore more without the need for hookup, then a Falcon inverter is the perfect solution for you. Converting your 12 volts supply from your battery into 240 volts allows you to use electrical appliances that you wouldn't normally be able to use when off the grid, whether you are wanting to use your hair dryer, charge your laptop to stay in touch with loved ones, or charge your batteries for your electric bikes. Falcon has the right inverter for you, coming in 5 different sizes: 300 watt, 600 watt, 1500 watt, 2000 watt and 3000 watt. You can find the right size inverter for your electrical demands, whether you are planning on running high wattage appliances or wanting to charge multiple devices at the same time. Falcon's Pure Sine Wave Inverter technology ensures the power supplied to your appliances is in a smooth waveform similar to that you are used to at home, meaning you can use it to power your electrical devices as well as simple electrics that only contain heating elements, whereas a standard modified sine wave inverter would only be able to power electrical devices with a simple element and would damage your electronic devices. To find out what size inverter will support your needs, you must consider what devices you are planning on running and whether you will want to run multiple devices at the same time. If you are only planning on running one appliance at a time, find the appliance with the highest running wattage and choose an inverter with a wattage greater. If you plan on using multiple devices at the same time, such as a 700 watt toaster and an 800 watt kettle, the total running wattage you will need will be 1500 watts, which means you would require a minimum inverter of 2000 watts. If that is out of your budget, consider getting a smaller inverter and boiling your kettle and then doing your toast one at a time. Inverters have 2 power ratings: a running wattage and peak surge wattage. Peak surge wattage is for appliances that need an initial large power surge when starting. For example, a kettle requires a large surge of power when initially being turned on to quickly heat up the element. Our inverters are all rated at their running wattages, so our 2000 watt inverter is capable of surging up to 4000 watt for a short time if needed. So make sure when shopping for inverters that you are looking for the running wattage supply of the inverter and not the peak surge wattage, as others may try to mislead you. We offer installation with 2 free nights of camping at our 5-star facility in the heart of Cheshire, where we can optionally upgrade your inverter system to be wired to all the plugs in your van, so you will not have to plug directly into the inverter, or we can arrange for a mobile engineer to come to your door to do the installation there. Click the link in the description to see our full inverter range and find the right size for you. Make sure to subscribe to the Falcon channel to stay up to date on all the best deals on the latest in camping technology. Life Made Easy by Falcon.